If you find yourself frequently recreating task lists in teamwork projects, you can save yourself lots of time by implementing the task list templates feature. This allows you to save and reproduce the structure of a task list and additionally customize each iteration of that template. So to get to our task list templates, if we're in the tasks tab, we can select the options drop down here on the right hand side, and you can see the option to manage task templates. Or alternatively, you can go up here to the top right and select the options drop down here and select the settings option here. And in the settings window, we just need to make sure that we're in the templates tab. So down here you can see our task templates section, so we can see how many templates we have. We can see each template name here and how many tasks are a part of that template. If we want to edit our templates, we just need to select the edit option. And here we can see all of our task templates and all of the tasks in each template. So we can easily add tasks to any of our existing templates, or we can go up here and add a new template. In the new template window, we need to give our template a name. Below this, we can add any notes to copy with our template if we want to. And we can also customize who can view this template. So this can be everybody on the project, or we can select specific users if we want to. So I'll just add our template now. And there you can see at the bottom that our blog post template has been added. And now we can just add tasks as we like. So adding a task in a task template is very similar to adding a task in a regular task list. We can assign the task to a user, so we can have anyone or we can choose a specific user. We can also select to choose users later. We have options for our start date and due date. So we can have no date. We can set our task to start on the day we implement that particular template. We can have it the next day, the day after that, etc. And this is the same for the due date. And for these tasks, we can also add descriptions, we can attach files, we can update our privacy, add priority, estimated time and progress, add followers, set dependencies, set these tasks to repeat, and add tags. So let's save the changes to this task now, and we can continue adding more tasks here until we're happy with our task template. So now that we've looked at our tasks templates page, let's look at using a task template on a new task list. So let's just add a task list. So we need to give our task list a name. We can add some notes here if we want to. We can update the privacy, attach a milestone. And here in the advanced tab, you can see that we can pin this list and we can also choose to use a template. So all we have to do is select whatever template we want here. So I'll go for our blog template here. So now that we've selected our template, we can see a preview of the task list here. So it's adding in 3 tasks from our template. We can choose to notify all users by email here if we want to, and then we can just add our task list. As well as being able to use task templates on new task lists, we can also add task templates to existing task lists. So for example, in the editing task list here, we just need to select the options dropdown and then select advanced. And then if we hover over the templates option, you can see that we can manage our task templates and we can add tasks from template. So again, we just need to select our template. So I'll go with the blog post again. So here we can select our date and we can decide whether or not this starts on this date or ends on this date. We can choose whether or not we want to skip weekends. So none of our tasks are set to start or end on a weekend. And then we can just apply the template. And now our tasks have been added. Rather than having to create a new template and then create all of the tasks in that template, we can also create a new template from an existing task list. So again, we just go to the options drop down here, select templates, and then down here you can see the option to save this task list as a template. So we can customize the name here if we want to. We can also add a description for our template if we want to. And in the options tab, we can choose to make this template private to just our company. And we can choose whether or not we want to include subtasks. Then we just need to save our template, and our template has been saved. And that's it. That's all you need to know to be able to use task templates in Teamwork projects.